That was a hit. Yep.
Okay, 今度。来た来た、糸出して。イエーイ。
Hey, Dikey!
持てへんHey. 来た。
Good morning, people, or good afternoon, I guess, depends when you're watching this, but it is morning for me, back in the New England, and back with Mick, really nice guy I met, I think only a week ago when I was down here with Elena, but this time, guess who's back?
Okay,
Who's this?
my son, Daiki, Fish Magnet 2.
Hello to Australia.
Want to hold the gun
And-
for a shot?
You cameraman. Oi.
Oh my god.
Have fun with the gun? It's not loaded. It's all good.
Hello. And a dog.
No load. No bullet.
Nugget.
Take a photo.
So the story behind the rifle is maybe if we catch some pigs. Oh, talking to this thing. Kim is very excited.
Okay.
Very serious business.
Because I can see the bottom where the rock is. Watch my lure come over, and then just to the left of it, there's fish are swimming along as well. Oh, there's another one. Got it. I don't know if it's the same one or not, but literally swam up next to it again. As soon as I stopped, we just went like that.
Okay. Oh, there's one. Takuma.
Good. Very good. Nice size. Very fat. He's a fat one. You want to film Takuma or not? Watch out, puppy.
You better get the proper film man to do that.
Camera.
Very beautiful fish. Very pretty. Very nice.
Oh shit, puppy.
Plan is Mick's going to hook my line, pull it back and change the angle hopefully. Can't get it, just shaking the rod. That's something caught, the lure's caught on the other angle now. Oh, there we go. Hey! Takuma trick. Whew. Yeah, you just use the rod to like dunk, knock it off, like a lure retriever sort of thing. Well, I think I missed retrieving that because I pressed the wrong button on my GoPro, but got it back. The reel is a bit wet, still seems to be working fine, and have my lure, so that's good.
Yeah,
Feet, lift your feet.
Okay.
Oh!
It's been fishing a couple of hours and got a couple, but new hole, had some lunch. Takuma's very excited. Happy?
Happy! Okay.
So we catch them all.
Oh, good fish. Good fish. Oh, nice. Right at my feet. Good. Angry. Nice. Fuck, the water is cold.
Yes, please. With that other camera. Chunky. Very nice fish. Fact.
Bye-bye.
Oh, oh, yes, yes.
Okay.
Hey, woo!
オッケー、今度来た来た、糸出して。イエーイ。
Hey, Ducky!
持てへん。おお、釣ったな。ほら、大輝のコッド。
まだこ
おお、いいんか自分で持たんで。ここに来て、ここに来て、横とね、横と。へいへい。ナイスナイス。マーレコッド来た。これめっちゃでかいぞ大輝。ほら。
おお、気持ちいい。
ナイス。いきなり追いかけてきたな、後ろな。見えた
8 years old.
Yeah, good. よし。はい、バイバイ。
Hey, thank you.
Hey, good spot. Oh, check that. Check.
Do you want this?
Yes, thanks.
Hey! 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 Murray Cod! ねえ、まあ、ダウ水でチェイスしてきてバイトしてフォローにドーン来たぜドリームフィッシュ
Same size or
Yes!
as follow?
Yeah! Hey! 来たHey! Cod! OK 綺麗な魚。見つかれられた。イエーイ。
That was a hit. Yep.
Fish on! Oh, really? Oh! Oh, fish.
Where's that other camera? I might take pictures of him in the water. Looks a little bit slippery. Is this slippery? Or nope, not slippery. Oh.
tree. You have to bring the chainsaw out and clean her up.
Not sure. Dikey, okay?
Dikey, afraid.
Oh, it's okay. Car coming.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, good.
safe.
Safe. Very good. Good.
Yeah.
Broken is good.
Yeah.
For movie.
I know.
Sorry. For movie. Good. Good, good.
Broken vehicle is good for moving, Takuma says. So our little buggy has a steering problem. Dikey's scared, and we're gonna pack and hike in a bit more. New colour time. So we hiked in, not really that far, and Takuma's there. Dikey made it. He's a little bit scared, a little bit upset, but we'll fish in this pool for a bit. Land Cruiser is on its way to maybe sort out the buggy or just to get us out of here, but we'll catch some here.
Yep.
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 Rainbow trout, alpha tail. Nice. Just chilling out.
Oh, God.
Don't worry about coming over this one. I watched them sneak it up. Look at that. Beautiful colours. Watched him eat it, that's the best. Thanks, buddy.
Come on, come on. He was just there following me around, just biting it. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. You can see it because I got Polaroids on, but... Yeah, I got it. Just come off, just then. Oh, cod.